Hey guys, and it's time to talk about the all-in-one Divine Galaxy. One that has it all you ever wanted on one Samsung phone. That'll 13 megapixel with f1.9 aperture with the Beyond 2 model, aka the S10 Plus model, the only one to have an optical zoom lens as well, making it the most complete camera setup on a phone that we currently have in order to have the bezels go all the way. Now it does truly define the 10th anniversary. There's been so much news lately. We have the live Galaxy Note 9 leak for the second time, along with some dummy action going on, which looks pretty good, on point with the real Note 9. Apparently, the Note 9 has already received the August security patch, so Samsung is bringing the latest software patches with the upcoming Note 9. We also got the official Galaxy Note 9 render in a lilac purple color. Along with the Note 9, a lot of new stuff came out regarding the Galaxy. Industry experts, Samsung Electronics is working on a spec with a total of 5 cameras in the Galaxy S10 Plus. The S10 Plus code name is Beyond 2, which is the first S series phone to have 2 cameras up front and 3 cameras on the back. So a total of 5 cameras along with in-display fingerprint scanner, and possibly a S Pen will make it a Divine Galaxy. And it doesn't stop on that. It is expected to be around at MWC 2019 in Barcelona in the month of February. I'm super excited for the S10, but it's still far away. Currently the Note 9 is almost upon us, and it could be the last separate Note release. Along with it, Samsung has a new wireless charger Duo. It's coming, it is leaked, and it will allow 2 phones to be fast charge simultaneously, or you can charge your Galaxy Watch, which is going to be the new watch that Samsung will be announcing pretty soon, along with your phone at the same time. So yeah guys, that's all on the Galaxy S10 and the Note 9 and some current Samsung news. There could be a chance of unification if the Note 9 fails to deliver, either likely because it's a feature that Apple will not going to have, because they're going to have Face ID on all of their future Apple products. Now the S10, last time we talked about how the 3 Galaxy S10 variants are coming and how Samsung will divide the features. The base S10 model, the Beyond Zero, is reported to have no in-display fingerprint scanner and no edge display. The Beyond 1 will have a 5.8. Beyond 2 model will have 3 cameras, in-display fingerprint scanner, and a large 6.4-inch display. And all these models will have a wide-angle lens going at 6. It further mentions that Samsung was thinking about it ever since they released the Galaxy Note 8. With that being said, it's still in discussion. Nothing is in final conclusion. It all depends on the sales of the Note 9. We will see a fingerprint scanner on the side, a thin fingerprint reader, but that didn't happen, and that rumor has returned for the second time that Samsung might be merging the Note and S lineup, which means that the Galaxy Note 9 might actually be to the Korean media, The Bell. They are always the first one to report a lot of Samsung news. Samsung's vice chairman Jay Lee is looking to merge the Galaxy S flagship lineup and the Galaxy Note family in order to improve the Profit App S4. And thanks to its leaked firmware, it has revealed some key features of the S Pen. So the S Pen will be able to control music playback and act as a remote timer in the camera application, and it will allow users to remotely unlock, or we all speculated that Samsung might be bringing the Note lineup in the S lineup, introducing it as a new product entirely. DJ Ko himself at the event where he was spotted with the Note 9, he said that the optical fingerprint scanner is not good for user experience. It's kinda inconsistent and not dependable, which is why Samsung waited, and they're gonna use the better ultrasonic fingerprint solution for the Galaxy S10 family. Now Qualcomm's ultrasonic tech was tested by CNET. It actually uses sound waves to generate a map of your fingerprint. It can scan the finger even if it's wet, which is something that the finger scan on the Vivo phone cannot do, and it has a lag time of just 250 milliseconds and has a 1% rejection rate, and it's about 0.15mm in size, meaning it won't be making your phone chunky. Samsung has a lot of trust in their ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, which is why they might actually ditch the iris scanner, lock the phone by having some special sets of commands. So they have put a lot of effort with the S Pen this time, and we'll see if it really makes a difference overall or not compared to the Galaxy S9 Plus. And of course, all the Galaxy S features in just one phone will be pretty cool. And not to forget, Samsung is also working on the foldable smartphone, so that might take some of the load off of their shoulders with just having to worry about the S lineup. Again, it all comes down to the Note 9 sales. How they're going to perform will decide the unification. Also, the Galaxy S10 could get even more divine by getting the front dual camera setup for better bokeh selfies and possibly for wide angle selfie capabilities. According are super huge, and I honestly think if you can hold off right now, it will definitely going to be worth your money. Any news is that Samsung has announced the first 8GB LPDDR5 DRAM for 5G AI powered mobile application, meaning this could be inside of a phone, of a Samsung phone in the future, and this could be inside of the Galaxy S10 along with the 7nm Exynos chipset. And this combination might actually make the S10 family the most powerful in the world when it comes to mobile phone performance. Guys, the changes with the S10 families or S10 Note, whatever the name will be, personally I think it's kind of great. With releasing just one set of flagships, Samsung could focus on improving their software, especially making the updates faster, which is still actually slow compared to the other third-party manufacturers. Again, let me know your thoughts about all the news and the Divine Galaxy in the comment section below, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.